I don't get much rest. I find it hard to smile knowing all this hope is hopeless, and I was your centerpiece. Now the ash from your cigarette knocked off so casually. But Adelaide, 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 I know you don't want me. 'Cause Adelaide, 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 I know I'm nobody. Well, forever is much too strong. Be used as the ending when our beginning lasted so long. And I'm left in silence. I put my tongue in backwards now that speaking don't make any sense. But Adelaide, 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 I know you don't want me. 'Cause Adelaide, 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 I know I'm nobody. Well, I used to be on your side, but loving such a liar ain't an easy way to spend my time. And I had you in my hand, a girl to call my own. Well, so did many other men. Adelaide, 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 I know you don't want me. 'Cause Adelaide, 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 I know nobody. Sacrificing pieces, you're the queen that took my home by your side. Watching you collect until I got left behind. We're so far to fall. Now I'm left without a partner in the old dance hall. Adelaide, 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 I know you don't want me. 'Cause Adelaide,